Do you want a light that turns on automatically in the dark and turns off in daylight? Today, I'll show you a very simple dark sensor circuit using a MOSFET and a remote sensor diode. Welcome back to the channel, where we make simple and useful electronics projects you can build at home. In this video, we are making a dark sensor circuit that automatically controls a 12-volt LED light. This circuit works on 12-volt DC supply and is very easy to assemble. For this project, we need one Z44N MOSFET, one 1 mega ohm quarter-watt resistor, one remote controller sensor diode, one 12-volt LED light, one 12-volt DC battery or power supply. Connect the drain pin of the MOSFET to the negative side of the LED light. Connect the positive side of the LED light to the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery. Now take the 1 mega ohm resistor and connect one end to the MOSFET gate pin, and connect the other end of the resistor to the positive side of the LED light. Take the remote sensor diode and connect it between the MOSFET gate pin and the MOSFET source pin. Connect the negative terminal of the battery to the MOSFET source pin. That's it. Our circuit is complete and ready for testing. This circuit works as a dark sensor. In darkness, the remote sensor diode allows the MOSFET to turn on, and the LED light automatically lights up. When light falls on the sensor diode, the gate voltage of the MOSFET changes, and the MOSFET turns off, switching the LED light off. When I bring a flashlight close to the sensor, you can see the LED light turning off automatically. And when I move the flashlight away and it becomes dark, the LED light turns on automatically. This confirms that our dark sensor circuit is working perfectly. If you want to control a higher power light or AC load, you can use a relay module with this circuit. If you like this simple dark sensor project, please like this video, share it with friends who are learning electronics, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and useful electronics projects. Comment below if you want a relay version, PCB design, or LDR-based circuit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.